On this one, we're gonna have two positions. This one and this one. And with those two positions, we're gonna bounce. And it will be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, back. Front, and back. Okay. 2 counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 count. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. If you don't know the bounce, check my bounce tutorial in the description below. Now we're gonna try it on the music. 4 counts, 2 counts, 1 count. DJ, drop it like it's hot. 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 2 counts. 1. Bonus. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoy it. If you want to support my channel, press that like button, press the subscribe, and of course press the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post something new. Peace and love.